Today, I'll show you how to install or reinstall the Microsoft Store on Windows 11, whether it's missing, broken, or you accidentally removed it. This takes less than 2 minutes, so let's get straight into it. Before we get started, make sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel. The fastest method is through PowerShell. Right-click the Start button at the bottom left of your PC and select Terminal Admin or Windows PowerShell Admin. A blue or dark window will open. Now carefully type this command, or copy it from the description below. Once you've typed or pasted it, hit enter and wait a few seconds. When it's done, press the Windows key, search for Microsoft Store, and it should be right there. If that didn't work, try the built-in reset tool. Press the Windows key and R at the same time to open the Run box. Type wsreset.exe and press enter. A black window will pop up and close on its own. That is completely normal. The Microsoft Store should launch automatically once it finishes. Still not showing up? Open Terminal as admin again and type Winget space install space, quote, Microsoft Store, quote, space, hyphen source, space, msstore. Hit enter and let it run. Once you hit enter, the terminal will show you some license information and then ask, do you agree to the terms? Simply type the letter Y and press enter. You will then see it say, starting package install. That means it is working. Just wait a minute, and the Microsoft Store will be reinstalled automatically. This will quietly reinstall the store in the background. Check your taskbar after about a minute. And if none of those worked, here is the simplest method. Open your browser and go to the link in the description. It will take you to the official Microsoft Store page on Microsoft's website. You will see a big blue download button. Click it. It will download a small exe file to your computer. Once it finishes downloading, just double-click that file and install it like any other app. Follow the on-screen steps, and the Microsoft Store will be back on your Windows 11. That is it. 4 methods, and at least one of them will get your Microsoft Store back. If you are still stuck, drop a comment below and I will help you out. And if this saved you time, a like and subscribe goes a long way. See you in the next one.